Welcome to Fulton Mall, downtown Brooklyn. Summertime in New York. Guys, y'all know what I want y'all to do for me. Make sure y'all hitting that like.
I'm the main fucking person.
All them towers. Scaffold work up there. Yeah. Downtown Brooklyn, well developed.
Up one.
They got bike sales over there. But that bike cool. All green. Yeah, I want to check out the bike shop. Let's go check out the bikes real quick. Real quick. I see you. Well, they got music playing. So I ain't gonna go too close. Yeah, they got that music on. But y'all see that right there, fire. I think you got speakers on it too, so you can plug up your Bluetooth. If you want a bright color bike, you see? Yeah. Oh, McDonald's closed. What happened? Yo, this is weird. Oh, McDonald's closed. It's summertime on Fulton Street, right? That's crazy. Yeah, I got the Banana Republic store over here. Yeah. What are they doing? They're fixing the building or are they cleaning the building? There's a lot of scaffolds going up. Oh, this one right here looks spectacular up there. Look. Yeah. H&M. I ain't gonna lie, H&M be having them t-shirts for the summer.
What you got on everything.
We got the Crocs. Now check this out. Look at the view. It's looking like Manhattan. Downtown Brooklyn is like the new Manhattan. Towers on top of towers. Got to love it. Yo, it's no more GameStop. No, it's Total Beauty Supplies. Yo, that shit changed from GameStop. Yo, that shit, you know how much money I spend over there? That shit was GameStop. Well, Brooklyn's supposed to know that.
She helps me.
Ah, yeah. No, that's a beauty salon. Beauty supply shop, actually, not salon. Yeah. We got some Chipotle.
What are you trying to do? Who are you trying to become?
I guess everybody.
Yeah, man. I almost think this was a bike on sale. A deliver bike. YouTube, y'all liking the content, make sure y'all smash that like. Now I also want y'all to make sure y'all subscribe, bro. It's summer. Let's run it up. We got cashews, gummies, stuff like that. Oh, Starbucks. We got eyeglasses. These are the jewelry shops and stuff over here. Everything changed. Yeah, they're about to have some towers out there now. Oh, so they got the new Dollar Tree over here. But it ain't a dollar no more. Why they gonna call it Dollar Tree if it ain't a dollar no more? They said it's like $1.75. Should just call it $2 store. So y'all got it like it. Only in Brooklyn. Sneakers, a lot of New Balance, all new. Yo, you know the funniest thing? I never wear no New Balance, bro. I always have the Nike, but I never really wear no New Balance. Well, between this Burger King and McDonald's that's close up the road, right? I don't know which one of them have more drama, cause it's normally drama in that place. Yeah. Avenue. They used to have the best pizza over that side. I don't even know if that pizza store is still over there. It should be right over there.